There's some questions that I've gotten a few times on here, so I thought I'd try to answer some of them in a video. First off is, where did I learn my Irish? And the answer is Gaelscoil. I went to Irish speaking preschool, primary school and secondary school, and I loved it. We didn't speak Irish at home. My dad was American. He didn't speak a word of Irish. My mum has cúpla focal, but me and my brother were speaking Irish all day at school from the age of like 4 to 18. And then in my adult life, I kept up that interest in Irish, but I didn't always keep up the speaking Irish every single day. So like I went through phases of writing music in Irish. For example, I worked with Imlay a bit, and I've always loved reading Irish poetry, but I'm not getting the same opportunities to speak it all the time like I did when I was a kid. But I continued to try, and I'm getting lessons, and I'm working on teaching Irish to my kids. The next unexpected question that I get fairly often is, where did I get this cardigan? I got it on Vinted, which is like a second-hand clothes website app. And it was super cheap. I got it for $5. The label is still on it, so I know what brand it was originally from, but I'm not going to tell you because it's a crappy fast fashion brand and I don't want to be promoting that. Secondhand clothes for the win. The next question is, what conant do I speak? And I have a really frustrating answer for this one. I learned Irish in Gaelscoil in Dublin. So that means that I learned Irish by speaking it with people, listening to people speak it, and all those people were speaking different conants. So I've got a mix of all different conants. Often I'll throw in little náhanacainte and stuff that are specific to a particular dialect, and I won't even know I'm doing it. So what conant do I speak? Gaelscoilish, I guess. I don't know. That being said, whenever I post a short Irish song for children on here, I always get it proofread to make sure it's accurate, because like I said, I don't have perfect Irish. I'm sure I've left some questions out. If you think of any, you can put them in the comments. Okay, slán.